Hi guys, George from Cyprus Insight, and today we're in the middle of the old town of Paphos and we're going to have a little stroll around. There's the place, got all sorts of art workshops in there worth visiting, loads of fantastic local crafts you can buy, and you can view some of the artists making baskets, pottery, soap, all sorts. Really worthwhile visiting that place, the place. Right, so we'll have a look around, see what's going on. We've got a mixture of old and new buildings, very cosmopolitan. Which way we're going to go? So loads of shops up there, and we're going to go straight and around, so we'll do a circular walk around the old town of Paphos. Lovely cafes all around the streets. Look, another little, oh, there's a park as well for the kids. A big park there, you can enjoy a coffee and the kids can enjoy the park. Lots of lovely shops. It really is a lovely place to walk around. Bit of retail therapy. There's more shops everywhere. There's one on the left. I suspect it's a fantastic place to come for the evening if you fancy a meal or just a coffee or slow beer. There's lots of these art shops as well. Like this one here, and this one's a little museum and looks like it's an antique shop. Yep, we've got an antique shop here, guys. We've also got exact replicas of museum pieces up for sale. Look at these. Wow, what a lovely place. Looks like we've got antiques in there as well. Some lovely artwork. So some are replicas and some original. Here we are, some more museum pieces. So you can get some very unusual bits and pieces for your house round here. It's a lovely artwork. Got clothes shop across the road, and it looks like another art gallery on this corner. There we are. Yep, another art gallery. Handmade leather goods on the left. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to turn right back into the town. You can go left, look, it goes on and on, but we'll turn right, give you an idea of what it's like around here. You could spend all day or a few hours. Doesn't matter if you buy a bit of artwork or not, you can always enjoy it. Amongst the art shops, there's also some normal shops, guys, and got shoe shops, jewelry shop, Yet another beautiful cafe. Look at that. Looks like they're selling kebabs. Yep. Art shop just on my right. There we are. Let's go and have a look at this one. This looks fascinating. Looks like it's got mosaics. Yeah. Look. Beautiful mosaics. More glassware. Wow. Well, look at those glasses. Hand painted. Right, let's carry on through. And this road is tree lined, so there's an amazing amount of shade. Oh, there's a tourist information centre. More trendy cafes. Bistros on my right and left. And yet another art shop. Yeah, look at this one, look. Art and Love it's called. Look at that one. Looks like we've got some more glass art. Right, which way? We'll go down towards the little market. What we got here? Jewellery shop. Selling lovely little bracelets, and there's a gift shop. Oh, some tablecloths here. All sorts of bits and pieces. Oh, there we are, not far from the sea. That's on the left. Let's go down here and then turn left, shall we, towards the sea. Right, let's carry on through. Oh, there's loads of gifts you can buy here. Oh, coming up to clothes shops. Let's go up here. And more art shops, look, on my right. Original oil paintings all around the place. Right, so that was part of the old town of Paphos. I'm going to walk across the road. All the shops and art galleries were down there, and I'm going to go just beyond this road. There's another one being restored. It's probably going to be an art gallery or shop. And there's a beautiful mosque here as well, guys. Look at that. Looks like it's been partly restored. Amazing minaret. I'm not sure if it's open. We'll have a look. Lovely grounds. Look at that. What an amazing place. It's lovely. It's closed at the moment. We're just going to go a little way down and we can see what the high street down there looked like before it was restored. Look, see down here, we've got old warehouses and shops. There's an old ghost sign, Beer supermarket. Yeah, let's have a look inside. Wow, look at that. Let's have a look at these old warehouses. I think this one's being used to make doors. And look at this, guys. Looks like a museum. Look, that old lathe. Not sure what that was. Or that over there, maybe a press. Right, let's go back towards the car park. There's several car parks down here. It's just €1 for 2 hours. So lots of parking if you want to come down in the evening and enjoy an evening down here. Look at the art galleries and the art shops and these beautiful old buildings. Enjoy a meal or coffee. Conveniently located comfortable benches all along. Now there is a map over there to guide you through the old town. There's some more old warehouses, partly restored over there. Some have been made into shops. That's an antique shop. What's that over there? Yet another antique shop. An icon shop. Loads of things to decorate your house with. Well guys, hope you enjoyed that visit to Paphos Old Town. What a great little place. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.